Hello friends, welcome. Today we're going to take a look at this 1961 Chevrolet Apache four-wheel drive truck. What a good looking four-wheel drive rig. This Chevrolet truck is for sale. Let's take a look at it. 1961. A lot of cool characters to it. Definitely a good looking old truck. Classic. Really runs strong. He says the four-wheel drive works like it's supposed to. This has a lot of character to it from the 1960s. He says that his family's owned this truck since 1979, so it's been in his family for, what was that, 40 plus years. Nice interior, old school look. The old work trucks of the past. All the stories this truck has. It does have a very unique interior. Let's look under the hood. It's a big 454 turbo 400 205. Plenty of big V8 power. To it. Sounds good.
is my 61 Chevy Apache 20. It's a 3/4 ton, originally 2-wheel drive. Now it's a 4-wheel drive with 454, turbo 400 and a 205 transfer case, power steering, power brakes. I'm the third owner. My dad was the second. It's been in the family since 79. I acquired it in about 88, so had it ever since. Good runner.
Drives out very nice.
It's not bad. It rides like a 1-ton for sure.
Oh, it feels good.
Yeah.
Very, very nice truck.
It's a good runner. I used to commute it to Buckley Air Force Base every day. My dad had over 500,000 miles on it. Probably 50,000 on it over the years. Used to, it was my dad's work truck. We used to have an old camper on it. We'd take it camping all the time. We did everything with it.
Very nice. 4-wheel drive and all that works good?
Yep, 4-wheel drive all works good. No issues.
I like the 4-wheel drive and it looks great.
Yeah.
That height of it looks nice.
It does. I like it better as a 4-wheel drive, definitely.